Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So see here, I have a package here. This one is coming from Yeezy Supply. So let's crack this open right here. See here, I got the Yeezy Boost 700, size 10.5, and colorway is, what do they say it here? It's like a mixture of colors. I don't even know how to say what color way they say it, but it's style B75571 right there. Again, you got the Yeezy Supply sticker right there. You know, Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas, 700 up top, Boost on the side, and Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas. So these are the so-called dad shoes. So let's crack this open over here, take out the box, and here they are. It's not regular paper. And nothing in there. So just a quick look at this shoe. I guess first time seeing it. Right here. Got the black bottom, Adidas branding. As you can see, you see the Boost right there. You got orange hits. You got Adidas branding inside. You got more of a lime color shoelace, like a yellowish shoelace, and nothing else on the other one. But I don't know, this is probably not for me, to tell you the truth. I know it's a mixture of different materials, but I don't know, it's just, I don't know if it's, I don't really know how to explain it, but I don't know, it might not be for me though, after seeing it in hand. But it does have Boost, so it might be comfortable as far as wearing it. But here it is. I've seen a lot of videos of this shoe already, so but here's just a quick look at the one I got from Yeezy Supply. Right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Right, YouTube, peace out.